Hello everyone, welcome to LimeGuru channel. In this video we will learn that how you can write your unit test cases in Python. So we will be using PyTest library. I have already installed PyTest on my local and we are going to write unit test cases using PyTest to test my Python function. So to start with, on the left hand side I'll show you that what I have. I have one my program which is inside LimeGuru package. So inside LimeGuru package I have calculator.py and this is my main Python functions where I have different functions of calculator which I want to test. So there is an add function which will add two numbers, and then the standard add, subtract, multiply, divide. These four functions are there. And now what we are going to do is we are going to write unit test cases for my calculator.py file where I'll test all these functions: add, subtract, multiply and divide. So in order to write unit test cases in Python using PyTest, what you need to do is you need to create a test file. So I've created test file, test underscore calculator.py. So I have imported calculator module from LimeGuru package. So that is pretty much standard. If I want to use calculator functions, I have to import the calculator module. So that I have imported. Now comes the test, how to write the test cases. In order to write the test cases, what you need to do is you need to declare it with test underscore. So you need to prefix it with test underscore. Any function which will be prefixed with the test underscore, that will be taken as a PyTest, and PyTest will execute only those test cases only. Now after that, whatever function you want to test, you can give that name, any name you can give. So just to relate, I have given the same name on which my function was created, that is add, multiply, subtract and divide. But the important thing is that you have to prefix it with test underscore. Now after that, what I'm doing is I'm calling the add function only, calculator.add. I'm trying to add 3, 4, and then I have a assertion statement that output of this should be equal to 7. Only then my test case will will pass. And similarly, I have another test case where I'm testing the multiply function. I'm calling it as a test underscore multiply. I have calculator.multiply. I'm calling 3, 4 and the result would be 12, and I have a assert statement that the result should be equal. So let me try to show how to run the PyTest. So if you see my terminal here, let me do ls here. So you see I'm in the same directory where I have test underscore calculator.py and LimeGuru. So what I'm going to do is if I want to run any test cases, I need to run PyTest command, and then I want to run PyTest command in the same directory because I have my test cases in the same directory. So you can see here my test cases are here in the same directory, so I want to run in the same directory. But the thing is that you need to give the path here, that where are your test cases. So in the PyTest command, so I have given the path in the current working directory. Let's try to run it. So it will automatically find all the test cases with all the functions prefix a test. So there are two functions, so you see that two test cases have been passed. So it sees it has collected two items inside this test calculator.py, and it has shown two test cases have been passed. So in this case, you can run your unit test cases in Python. You can write it and you can run it. Let me try how you can fail it. So let's say you have given, instead of 7 you have given 8 by mistake. So what you are doing is calculator.add 3, 4, the result should be 7. Now result is 7, but assertion will fail. Now let's try to run this same thing again. I will do pytest dot, and then let's see what is the output if I run my test cases. So test cases are running. So it says that one failed and one passed. So you can see that test add has failed, and because of this reason, assert 7 equal to 8. So this assertion has failed. The output should have been 7, but I am doing assert 7 equal to 8, so that's why it has failed my function. So in this way you can get reports for your PyTest cases. You can generate the test report, you can write your test cases in this way, and you can test your Python logic very easily using PyTest library. That's all which I wanted to share. I'll share this code on GitHub URL and share the link in the video description. If you like this concept, do press the like button, do share this video with others, and thank you for watching.